Hi, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really sorry I haven't been uploading in a long time, but I promise I'm going to be regular. Today, I'm going to be sharing a quick routine of how I use a straightener to create my wavy, soft, wavy curls. So, if you like to see how it is done, please keep on watching. So, initially, I am going to prep my hair, which is a very important step if you are going to use any kind of a heat tool or heat styling tool on your hair. So I'm just going to divide my hair into two basic sections, and I'm using this Schwarzkopf heat protecting spray. You can use any whatever you have, and I'm just going to quickly make sure you spray the edges because that's where the hair is most weak. Just combing it lightly to distribute the product. Now I'm going to take the top section and going to pin away the shorter layers. You can do it any which ways, but I prefer doing it this way. If you don't have layers, then you can just divide it into two sections and also do it. Now I'm going to take my straightener and switch it on and put it on the maximum setting. While it heats up, I am just going to take a small section at the back. Now, how you need to do is that I find the best method is to hold your straightener upright, upside down, even this way and this way, and you turn away. You can turn inwards also, but I find these curls are the most flattering. So you imagine that you're going this way. So if you're doing, the curls have to go this side, and if you're doing this side, the curls have to go this side. So the most easy way I found is the holding position. This requires a little bit of practice, but once you get a hang of it, I think it's going to be very easy. Now what you do is you hold it this way, you twist your hair behind and turn it, and make sure this is pointing in the front, and slowly slide it down. You can, once the curl's done, you can just twist it with your fingers. I'm going to show you one piece over here. You can keep it in your hand so that the heat gets to the hair a little more before you release it. So if you can see, the curls are getting developed on this side the same way. I'm going to show you how I do it on the other side. The other side, this side you've held it like this, and for this side you just need to go the same way, but you go not the direction is going to be away from the face. So take this, okay, put it over here, turn it this side, okay, and the hair should be outwards. If you're finding it difficulty to push it through the hair, you can keep leaving. So this is the way I get my curl done. So this is going to be away from the face, going to be back. So now I'm going to go and off camera and do the rest of the curls, and I'm going to be back. So this is how it looks once the hairstyle is completed. I have opened out the waves a bit because I like it soft and I like it nice. This does add a lot of texture to my fine hair, so if I want to make a bun or any other bridal hairstyle, it's very easy and very simple. So in case you guys want to try it out, please check it out. It's a very easy technique once you get a hang of it. It's all about practice. Initially, I recommend you to practice it without the heat on, so that you just get the things right, and then you can practice it. It's just about, I feel it's about the hand movement. Just understand that it has to be facing downwards and turn outwards. So basically, if you practice that, then you're good to go. And if you like these kind of videos, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please don't forget to hit the notification icon. Bye bye.